super late, but that's it. I have safely arrived and I'm looking for the metro and go to the center of Madrid where my friend is gonna wait for me. And we are in Nuevo Ministerios because that's where my friend Cristina told me to go. It's supposed to be super good. Okay, let's not talk now.
Próxima parada, Llana con Plaza Chamberlain.
This place is nice. My friend Cristina knows what she's doing. I have just noticed there are no ants in the UK. Okay, tell us more. Hello, I'm that friend. I'm that friend, Christine. I mean, you are recording a lot of things right now. Okay, so I would love to leave you. You need to buenos al día. So I got the Madrid card for transportation, which is nice. I'm a Madridian, and like this card, you pay £24 and then you can take as many trips as you want, which is very nice. Anyway, my friend is has some business to attend to. So now I'm just like, I'm going to walk around. I'm just gonna Google what to do in Madrid. I would have to charge my phone at some point. Anyway, now I'm in Plaza de España. I'm so sorry, like, I'm gonna pretend that I know and I'm gonna pretend that I can pronounce words. Okay, so I searched some places, but it's too overwhelming. I don't know, wherever it takes me, honestly. We'll see how it goes. Oh my god. Can the bus just... Come on, bus. Okay. Now I'm on my way to discover a supermarket in Spain because I think that's one of the most important things to do when you're traveling. So I think I'm going to Carrefour, which we had in Greece at some point, but we don't have it anymore, so I'm excited. This is such a cute road. Okay, on to Carrefour now. Tell us more, Christina, about that.
Okay, so
With your tour guide, Romero, for better experience in Madrid. It's not, yeah. Vale.
Per me in Plaza Mayor allora, quindi poi.
Plaza. It's very funny. Plaza. But it's like a square. I love you. Like a market. In Athens. Okay, I have this special love for markets and I'm very excited to be here. So we're gonna... I think I'm somewhere that there's literally nothing. Very cheap, very good. Very cheap, very good. Change of plans. Honestly, if you need to charge your phone, just go to